How to use the secret WhatsApp emoji that no one knows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can use secret WhatsApp emoji that no one really knows about. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So now let's begin. First, open up your WhatsApp. Then you can head over to any DM that you want. So let me head over to this here. After you're here, what you can then do is simply start typing and open up your emoji keyboard. And on the emoji keyboard, you'll find your emojis. So what we'll do here is first head over to our, uh, you know, these symbols. And here you will see this a dash, the dash with, the bendy lines. And what you'll need to do is give two of those. And in the middle, you'll need to type in any emoji. Any emoji that you type will come up with cross like this. So here you might notice that it's now, you know, sliced or it has a line between that emoji. So you can do this between these two squiggly lines. So you can type in whichever emoji that you want, and there you can notice that everything is simply crossed out. And that's how you can use the emoji on WhatsApp. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.